What's up, everybody? This is cool, very unexpected, but Ed, Red Beard and Tool Company, you're awesome, bro. That's why this axe community we're all in is so cool and so impressive, because some of the most decent people I've never met, I've met through YouTube, TikTok, Facebook. Just people with a genuine people being cool with each other. So thank you, buddy, and promise when I get a chance I'll pay this forward. If anybody's interested in shadowy put together restoration, I'm the guy to talk to. Unlike some of the work I've seen out of your shop, Ed, and I'll tag the shit out of you in this video whenever I get a chance to put it online. But let's open this up, see what we got. Very excited. And hopefully it's not too bright, because I know I got the window right in the back there. So the backstory on this is, Ed saw one of my videos, me chopping wood with a double bit. And he told me he had one that might be a little more suited for my needs. And what kind of tape is this? I told him I'm always interested, but you know, like anything we do, I had to promise the wife I'd reel in the spending, you know, flea markets, garage sales, stuff like that. And this awesome dude offered to send me this just because. And like I said, this axe community we're all in, we look out for each other, whether we know it or not. We're there for each other, whether we know it or not. It's just, we're just some cool, genuine people. And this is going to be a long video because there's a lot of tape in this. And my back's kind of out, so I'm really not able to put a whole lot of oomph into this. So yeah. Oh. That's it right there. One in my car, one in my workshop. My phone's probably gonna die before I'm done unboxing this thing. Woo! Oh. And my man. Wow. Bro. Look at that shine. I don't even know what to say now. Shit, bro. That is incredible. Oh, I'm fighting the urge to go use this right now. Oh my. Hey, thank you, brother. Thank you so much. Holy crap. That's the sharpest thing I've ever felt. That's incredible. Thank you, man. And as soon as my back falls back in where it should be, I'll be out there swinging this. Thank you, brother. I don't know what to say. Look at that thing. Oh, that's beautiful. That is beautiful, man. Your work's incredible, bro. It really is. Thank you so much.